Welcome back to differential calculus class. So we are still on rules of differentiation. In this class, I'll be showing you the rule of power functions. So let's say we have this function that is given from y equals ax raised to power n. So we assume where a is equal to constant. So at the same time is the coefficient of x, and we have our n is equal to any real number. Any real number. Okay. Now, the rule of this power function regarding the derivative or differentiation implies that we are to multiply. Please pay attention. When we are differentiating this, that is, we are finding the derivative of this, we are to multiply the coefficient of x, which is a, by the power of x. Then we subtract 1 from the power of x. In other words, that is, the rule says that multiply the power by the coefficient. And then subtract 1 from the power to get the derivative. So in other words, to find the derivative of this one, according to this power function, we have to have, that is, the y, the x, which is derivative implies, multiply the power by the coefficient. That is, we bring down the power, multiply by the coefficient, then x. Then we subtract 1 from the power, that is n minus 1. Whatever we arrive at through this process will give us the derivative of this power function. So let's take, for instance, let's say we have examples. Let's take look at some examples. Let's say we have to find the derivative of. So let's say the first one here we have, let's say, f function of, let's say, 2x squared. Then 2, let's say we have so we have, for the first one, this one, we have f of x. We simply bring down the power, multiply by the coefficient, so we have 2 times 2. Then x raised to power 2 minus 1. Okay, so what do we have? So we have 4x. This is our answer here. For this one, this second one here, we have the y, the x. So we bring down the power, so we have minus 3 multiplied by 2, then we have x minus 3 minus 1. So in other words, we have minus 3 times 2, we have minus 6, x raised to the power minus 4. So that is our final answer. So can you also try this on your own and tell me the derivative of these functions in the comment section? So we have, well, let's say we have f of x equals x raised to the power minus 1. So can you give me the answer in the comment section? Then see you in the next video.